And let's find the sum of this geometric series. I'm just gonna start working out the terms, starting with the first term. And to find the first term, I just need to plug in 0 for k. And then to find the second term, I'll just plug 1 all the way up to 5. So the first term would be 8 over 3 times half to the power of 1 plus 2 times 0. Now the next term will be 8 over 3 times half to the power of 1 plus 2 times 1. All the way up to 8 over 3 times half to the power of 1 plus 2 times 5, because that's the last term there, the last number. Great. So now I think I'll use the last term formula, because we already know the last term here. And the last term formula is A minus R times L over 1 minus R. Okay, so let's work out our first term. So A is just equal to 8 over 3 times half. Now 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is just 1. So 8 over 2 is just 4. So 4 over 3 times 1 is just 4 over 3. And that is the first term. So we have 4 over 3 minus R. And what is R in this case? Well, just to make sure that I don't blindly take the half and I think it's the half, I'm going to calculate the second term and divide it by the first term. So what is our second term? That's going to be 8 over 3 times half to the power of 2 times 1, 2, plus 1, 3. So we're going to get 8 over 3 times, now half to the power of 3 is just 1 over 8, because 2 cubed is 8, so 1 over 8. These guys are going to cancel out. 8s, so A2, which is the second term, is just 1/3. Then what is R? R will be term 2, the 1/3, divided by the first term. So 1/3 divided by 4 over 3 is a quarter. 1 over 4. Why is that? Because it can flip the bottom fraction and multiply. So 1/3 times 3 over 4 is just 1 over 4. Fantastic. Now I can plug this back in here. 1/4. Now times the last term. And that is the last term over here. Now we're also going to have to work that out. So the last term is 8 over 3. So I'm just grabbing this, right? This formula. Times half to the power of 1 plus 2 times 5, 10. That's going to be 8 over 3 times 1 over 2 to the power of 11. Because 1 plus 10 is 11. And I'm just going to plug this into the calculator to figure out what that fraction will work out to be. And that's just 1 over 768. What a nice number. Okay, all over 1 minus R, so 1 minus 1/4. Great, so here we have 4 over 3 minus 1/4 times 1 over 768. I'm going to plug all this into the calculator. I'm just going to work out the numerator first. What is that going to be? So we have 4 over 3 minus 1/4 times 1 over 768. And that is a nice number in the numerator. That's 1365 over 1024. All over 3/4. Because 1 minus 1/4, just 3/4. And finally we can just flip and multiply. And by flip I mean the bottom fraction. We make it 4 over 3. And we can just work that out now. whoops, I actually did something wrong with the calculator here. Okay, here we go. That is the final answer. It's going to work out to be 455 over 256. And that is our final answer. If you want a decimal, that is just 1.77734375. Final answer. That's it.